welcome to another episode of Fox Talks. And today we are going to ask Bharat, who is our new joinee at Redfox. He has recently joined us, and we are going to ask him about his opinions about Redfox. So, again, I'm Tarak Sakardande, and with me I have Bharat. Bharat, could you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Hi, myself Bharat. I work as security consultant at Redfox Security, specializing in red team. Basically, I get paid to hack into the systems, secure
Mhm.
companies, find the weak spots, and find the weak spot before the bad guys do.
Great. So, okay, and can you please introduce a bit of your background also, likewise, before getting into this field?
Okay. Before getting into this field, I was doing my undergraduation in BSc Biotechnology, and it was during the lockdown period.
Mm-hmm.
That's when I watched this series called Mr. Robot.
Okay.
Okay, it really got me hooked, and that's when I started diving into the cybersecurity fields, took on some course, built my own labs, exploited, tested against it, and I continuously started learning.
Great, great. So I think a lot of people out there are very much influenced by the Mr. Robot movie.
Yeah,
Am I
yeah,
right?
surely.
Yeah. Great. So likewise, this was about your inspiration again, if I'm not wrong, about joining career in cybersecurity, or are there any other reasons as well?
No, it was my main reason to join into the cybersecurity field.
Okay, great, great. So Bharat, what exactly attracted you to join Red Fox?
Red Fox is hosting podcast and sharing their knowledge to the community, and they had been to the Black Hat Asia also, and that shows the credibility in the industries. And mainly, I wanted to be in a team where I want to push my limits
Mm-hmm.
and work with the top tier professionals and
Yeah.
take on real world cybersecurity challenges.
Mm-hmm.
That was the main thing, and I saw Red Fox was doing great in the industry.
Yeah.
That was the main reason I joined here.
Exactly. Great. Again, at Redfox Security, we provide end-to-end penetration tests ranging in fields like Active Directory, web application, network pen testing, mobile applications, and a lot more. All of these details are available on our website, that is https://redfoxsec.com. Apart from that, we have academician as well. As Bharat said, that we had a lot of content going on. So there are blogs available on our academy website as well as free to premium courses that are being launched. And again, I mean, apart from that, we also have a lot of content that has been posted on YouTube and also under the channels Redfox Security, and the other one is in the regional language, that is Redfox Security Bharat. Let's dive in into the next question. So, Bharat, what were your initial impressions of the team and the culture here?
Team. It was great. The first day when I joined, I had a very warm welcome here. The team also greeted me greatly,
Mm-hmm.
and my colleagues, they are very open minded. They share me the knowledge, and I see they are highly skilled professionals, and we are in the common field.
Mm-hmm.
And the culture here, it's too great, and we can wear whatever we want to the office.
Yeah.
That was a good thing also, and that's
Great, great. So again, likewise, this was about Redfox Security again. But what skills or strengths do you think you bring to the team?
my specialty is in red teaming,
Mm-hmm.
and I have various field of experience also, like from social engineering to the networking, and I also do malware reverse engineering and
Mm-hmm.
evasion also.
Great. Likewise, what are the top three things that you are looking forward to learn at Redfox?
Top three things. I am looking forward to expand my red teaming, and looking forward to working with you guys. And the next thing is going to black black hat.
Great, great. So, likewise, again, what challenges do you think you would face in this role, and what is your anticipation about it?
Challenges, as the cybersecurity field is ever evolving field, we have to be one step ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Attackers are also using AI
Mm-hmm.
in this field, and the evasion of security is becoming too hard. We have to be in our top game to evade.
Okay, Bharat, can you tell me as to what are the cybersecurity trends that excite you the most right now?
The recent trends are AI trends, where I can see attackers and defenders are using AI to leverage, And the next one is everything is moving into cloud, and it
Mhm.
has been a massive attack surface to explore. And next one is working with the top tier professionals also.
Great. And likewise, this one's really favorite because a lot of people in this space always have. Even I personally had an experience where you have discovered one of those crazy vulnerabilities. Likewise, in your cyber security, you must have found one, right? So could you like
Yeah.
elaborate on that?
So it was during an internal pen test which had an SMB misconfiguration where I could have read files, and there was some old scripts also. One of those scripts had an hardcoded credentials of a service account with an high privileges. I used that to move laterally into the network and found another misconfiguration called unconstrained delegations, which we can use to take a Kerberos ticket, and I used that to get impersonate the domain admin, and it was a game. I had a full control of the domain.
Absolutely. I'm pretty much sure you slept well that night.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Great. Again, likewise, what advice would you give to someone who is really starting off in the cyber security journey?
I would advise them to start with the CTFs, or there is a website called Hack the Box, and build your own labs, test
Mhm.
it against it, and get some real world experience.
Great. And likewise, how do you stay updated in this ever evolving field of cybersecurity?
I follow some influencers like John Ahmed and IPSEC in the YouTube. I follow some Twitter accounts,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm in some Discord community also. That's
Great. What long term goals do you have in your cybersecurity career, Bharat?
my long term goal is I would really like to lead a red team or even start my own research security initiative. Basically, it's about giving an impact into the industry.
Great. That's really a good thought, actually. Like giving it back to the community is what you're
Yeah,
saying, right?
yeah.
Great. Absolutely. This was about Bharat. And Bharat, really welcome to the team. I'm really glad. And for the past week, we had a fair enough of conversation.
Yeah.
And we are always there to help you out. If you need anything, you can reach out to us. That was about the Bharat and his first day at Redfox. Again, if you like this podcast, please like it, comment it, share it with your people and peers as well. So that being said, always we will be coming up with new and new podcasts. Also help us rate this podcast setup that we have newly set up. Okay, see you guys.